ESSDi Supermarker consider many fabric and plant constraints, to say, open width or, woven, tubular, solid, one-way fabrics. Further, it takes pattern blocking and pattern pairing with one-way placement for consideration. Open width, or woven fabric, for ladies with cut and sew patterns, for a selected ratio with necessary selvage and end allowances. Open width fabric, for men's top with yoke patterns, for a given ratio with necessary allowances. Tubular fabric for men's top. Mirrored patterns placed automatically on selvages for given ratio with necessary allowances. Tubular fabric for women's pant with given ratio with necessary selvages and end allowances. Bulk import and bulk auto marker. Firstly, select the folder contains any of styles to import. ESSDi Import will facilitate the user to import all the patterns from the specified folder in few seconds. Secondly, select all folders that were imported by ESSDi Import to ESSDi Auto Marker. Auto Marker for plot out with specified frame size will be laid within less than a minute.